Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure passive income with StockX. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by creating an account on StockX. Visit the StockX website and click on the sign up option. Provide the required information such as your email address and password. Verify your email to activate your account. Once your account is set up, explore the platform. Familiarize yourself with the various sneaker, streetwear, and accessory categories. Conduct market research to identify trending items with strong demand. Utilize StockX's price history tool to analyze potential profit margins. Decide on a budget for your initial investment. Look for items with a reliable resale value and low market saturation. Purchase your selected items through StockX or other retail platforms. Consider using retail bots for quick purchasing during high-demand releases. After securing your items, store them in pristine condition. Once their value increases, list them on StockX for resale. Set a competitive price based on current market trends. Be patient while waiting for the right buyer. When your item sells, ensure you follow StockX's shipping guidelines. Ship your item promptly to maintain a solid seller rating. Monitor your sales regularly to identify potential reinvestment opportunities. Reinvest your earnings into new high-demand items. Consistently evaluate market trends to stay ahead in the game. Consider diversifying your portfolio by exploring other categories on StockX. As you build your passive income, keep records of your purchases and sales for better insights. Continuously educate yourself about sneaker culture and market strategies. With time and experience, you can enhance your passive income strategy. Stay dedicated and adapt to changes in the market for ongoing success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.